Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about hedging. Hedging, this is grammar topic, and as you know, this is advanced English grammar course, and in this course, I have covered more than 27 common and important grammar topics. We are at this hedging. Open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. Please look at the description box for updates and links to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me, share with other students to help them, and subscribe to get more videos on and press bell icon also to get more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading also. What is hedging? It means to make some statement or a sentence less general and more polite. This is a great language for both speaking and writing. It makes our statements less general and polite. And it is not same as distancing. Distancing was a different thing, and hedging is to make statements less general and more polite. Especially we should use hedging in our writing. One of the criteria to judge writing is that it should be less general. By using hedging, statements don't rely simply on personal opinion. So when we use hedging, so we can make statements less general instead of saying something general and overall. So we can make statements less general. To make hedging, number one is modal verbs. We can use modal verbs to make hedging, to make statements less general. May, might, could or would. And these modal verbs can be used to make hedging. They make our language less general. For example, burning of fossil fuels is causing global warming. Burning of fossil fuels is causing global warming. This is a direct and general statement. This is a direct and general statement, and there is no hedging in this sentence. And if you use burning of fossil fuels may or might, burning of fossil fuels may cause or burning of fossil fuels might cause global warming. Now we have used hedging. It is more polite and it is formal way. It is not. This is not a general statement as 100% true statement. So we can use hedging to make our writing more polite, formal, and one of the criteria is to make our less general, to make our writings less general. Number two is introductory verbs. We can use introductory verbs to make our statements less general. We can make our statements or sentences less general by using introductory verbs. Introductory verbs, for example, seems, look like, tend to be, believe, suggest, assume. All of these verbs can be used to make our statements less general. For example, people buy clothes online nowadays because of COVID-19 pandemic. This is a general statement. There is no hedging. People buy clothes online nowadays because of COVID-19 pandemic. When we use one of the introductory verbs, tend to be, we are using here tend to be. People tend to buy clothes online nowadays because of COVID-19 pandemic. Now we have used hedging, and this is less general. This is less general and this is more polite. This is more polite. Number third way is using adverbs and adjectives. Adverbs and adjective to make hedging, to make our writing more formal. We can make our statements, our sentences, our opinions less general by using adverbs and adjectives. For example, probably. Dr. Che is probably the worst English teacher. You can say that. Possibly, perhaps. My channel is perhaps the most comprehensive channel for arts preparation or for English learning. Usually, usually can also be used often. Often students look for tips and tricks to get higher bands in IELTS, but you know tips and tricks don't work. You should know the language. You should learn the language thoroughly. Sometimes, generally, probable. No, these are adverbs. These are adjectives. These are adverbs. Probable, possible. Examples: eating fast food is the main reason of childhood obesity. There is no hedging. This is more general statement. We can make it less general. Eating fast food is probably the main reason of childhood obesity. Now we have used hedging by using this word probably. This sentence is less general. It is more polite. This is possibly the best this is possibly the best performance in the tournament. Now we are using adverb. This is possibly the best performance in the tournament. Number 4 is using quantifiers. Quantifiers. When we make our statements, we can make our statements less general by using quantifiers. Quantifiers like many, most, some, few, a few. These can be used to make our language less tentative, to make our language less general. Quantifiers. Let us look at some examples of quantifiers. Children in developed countries eat fast food. Children in developed countries eat fast food. Now there is no hedging. It is general statement, direct statement, direct, impolite, direct statement, no hedging. This is not 100% true that every children in developed countries eat fast food. So we are using here eat. Children in developed countries eat fast food. Many or most children in developed countries eat fast food. This is less general. Many or most children. Less general, not all children. Less general. We are using hedging, and it is more polite way to express your opinion, to make a sentence. There are some these are 5 expressions that show distancing, that show hedging. It could be argued that when there is an opinion of someone else, it could be argued that it is believed that, some people believe that, or people believe that. We can also say it has been generally agreed that, or you can say it is generally believed that, it has been generally agreed that. You can also say statistics indicate that. We please note down these expressions. These would be highly useful for your writing, especially for your writing and also for your speaking. So please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. And my main Facebook ID is Learn with Dr. Che. You can search and you can send me a friend request. You can ask me any question or anything you want. Please subscribe, like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students. You can share with your friends, family members, or with junior students. Share with them to help them. Of course, you could help them. And also subscribe to get more more free courses on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Also my vocabulary course is already on my channel, and my next course will be grammar. Is I am not doing grammar, and my next course will be writing. So subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get more videos and for updates. Thank you very much.